Amanda Holden enjoys a rainy day following her luxury 1.7 thousand pound night Mauritius holiday. Amanda Holden enjoys rainy day following her luxury 1.7 thousand pound night Mauritius holiday. Amanda Holden was spotted enjoying a rainy day in London on Tuesday as she departed work at Heart FM. She recently enjoyed a lavish winter break in Mauritius at a five-star hotel. The presenter, 51, and looked breathtakingly gorgeous in a dog-toothed miniskirt as she showed off her sun-kissed legs, flowing her luxury $1.7 thousand a night African getaway. Despite the weather, Amanda Holden was all smiles as she shielded herself with a large umbrella and briskly walked home from the studio. She opted for a cream turtleneck knit with gold buttons across the shoulders and a pair of suede stilettos to complete her classic look. The television personality carried a nude handbag and styled her blonde hair straight. It comes after Amanda Holden and kicked off her new year with a bang as she has been soaking up the sun on a 1.7 pound, 7,000 pound a night holiday in Mauritius. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.